Unraveling the meanings of mint oil. Hello, dear viewers. Today, we're going to dive into the intriguing world of English phrases, focusing on the term mint oil. Whether you've come across it in a book, heard it in a conversation, or stumbled upon it while exploring English, understanding the layers of its meaning can add a refreshing twist to your vocabulary. So, let's get started and unpack the essence of mint oil. Mint oil is, quite literally, the oil extracted from the mint plant. It is known for its cooling sensation and distinctive fresh fragrance. This oil is widely used in various products such as toothpaste, chewing gum, candies, and in aromatherapy. When you hear mint oil, think of that cool, refreshing taste in your mouth after chewing gum, or the soothing feeling of a mint-infused lotion. Occasionally, phrases in English take on a figurative meaning. However, mint oil doesn't commonly have a figurative meaning in everyday language. It is generally used in a literal sense. But, in the spirit of creativity, someone might use it metaphorically to refer to something that is refreshing or revitalizing. For example, her witty humor was like mint oil to the conversation. Mint oil can pop up in several contexts. In cooking, it might be used to flavor dishes. In health and wellness, it's often mentioned for its soothing properties. In beauty and skincare, it's touted for its refreshing and invigorating effects. Knowing where you might encounter this term helps in understanding its use and relevance. In English, certain words frequently go together, known as collocations. With mint oil, you might find it paired with words like essential, as in essential mint oil, or peppermint, as in peppermint oil. It can also be combined with terms related to its use, such as apply, extract, or infuse. And that wraps up our exploration of mint oil. From its literal use in products that freshen up our day to any figurative sense it might convey, mint oil is a phrase that's as straightforward as it is refreshing. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds a new element to your English vocabulary. Keep learning and stay curious, and we'll see you in our next video.